In sports, we take to the seas. Under the blazing Caribbean sun, Jamaica recently transformed into a vibrant tapestry of tradition and teamwork when the 2026 Chinese Dragon Boat Festival made waves in Kingston, uniting cultures through the thunder of paddles, spirited competition, and shared celebration. Marlon Samuels was there, and he filed this report.
Port Royal came alive with vibrant colors, rhythmic drumming, and the thunderous splash of paddles as the 2026 Dragon Boat Festival took center stage at the Grand Hotel Excelsior. The event drew local teams and international visitors, all captivated by the spirit of tradition and camaraderie. The festival's highlight was the fierce yet friendly competition among dozens of dragon boat crews, each paddling with synchronized determination. Spectators cheered as boats sliced through the Kingston Harbour, their dragon heads and tails fluttering in the breeze, symbolizing strength and unity.
The Dragon Boat Festival has enhanced the friendship and cooperation between China and Jamaica. And I think China and Jamaica will stand together through thick and thin, as we have done after the Hurricane Malaysia. China will be a reliable partner and the best friend with Jamaica. And we sincerely hope Jamaica will rebuild stronger, more resilient, and even more better.
President of the Jamaica Dragon Boat Association shared his excitement about the event's growth.
I do believe it will go from strength to strength as more people, more Jamaicans want to come out and paddle. And then we get involvement of the schools, and I think that's also a huge potential to show teamwork.
Our motto in Jamaica is out of many one people, and this sport is a sport that encompasses everybody, not just Chinese, but the wider populace. And that is why we realize that the sport, the dragon boat racing, is really getting bigger and bigger worldwide. And because Jamaica have the sea and everything to accommodate and host festival like this.
The Bahamas, Trinidad and Tobago, and Hydra JA women paddled away as top winners. The coveted Caribbean Cup for overall performance was won by the Bahamas.
It was a great event down here in Jamaica. We enjoyed seeing the Jamaican team up with us, and so we decided to come see them. It's been a great event, and we hope to be back next year.
From a female point of view, we are women. Jamaican women are strong women. So we go out and we did our best. All the heats, all the semi-finals and finals, we went out there and did our best. We vary in ages and different professions, but we went out there as a team and worked together to get the gold.
JDF Wave Riders hosted the fastest time, with the Chinese embassy team earning bronze.
My team coming out here today to go up against an international team, a team that competes internationally, and coming out here with the fastest local time, that's extremely great for me and for my team. I'm extremely proud of my team. We'd have had a game plan, we'd have stuck to our game plan, and we came out and we delivered. So that's extremely good.
This is the second Dragon Boat Festival in Jamaica. Yeah, and this is also the second time that our embassy sent a team. Yeah, I'm very glad that with the assistance of the China Benevolent Association and all the sponsors, this year's Dragon Boat Festival is a grand success. Yeah, and I'm very glad that our Chinese embassy team won the bronze medal. And most important, they have created their best record in history.
As the sun set on the second day, the spirit of shared heritage and friendship was undeniable, leaving everyone inspired.
Right, we need to get more participation from the wider public as a cultural event, which is what we have today, like a festival. But in terms of developing this as a sport, we obviously want more teams to join this festival and also have more teams around the islands. We want to take this sport to the North Coast, but more importantly, to have a school program so that we have dragon boating from a high school level, so that we have a stream of athletes going into this sport in the future.
Rooted in over 2,000 years of Chinese tradition, dragon boat racing now spans 75 countries. In Jamaica, it's more than a race. It's a symbol of resilience, cultural pride, and a unity that promises to grow even stronger. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.